How is the economy specifically affecting this business?
Oh, the economy is drastically affecting this business. A lot of people that are buying new vehicles are one based on jobs. If you have a job, you're looking to purchase a new vehicle. If you're out of employment, of course you can't afford to buy a new vehicle or a premium vehicle for that matter. So the economy is drastically affecting us. Our businesses went down over 50%, and it's directly involved because of the economy. Stock market dropping, people losing their mortgage, their homes because of foreclosures, and so many people losing their jobs. With that all happening in the economy, of course, there's no way they can look at purchasing a new car. That's third on their list.
Do you think this business is better or worse off than those in other industries?
Wow. Well, ours is still a little better than the mortgage brokers. At this point, at least we are getting some business. Our business has dropped off over 50%. I have friends in the mortgage broker industry. They are at a halt just about. The only people actually buying are people from overseas because their money is worth more than the U.S. dollar. So they're coming over here and spending money and buying property here in Central Florida. But it's bad, just not as bad as I would say the market, the home market industry.
What is the business doing to attract more customers?
Something we're doing a little different. We've realized that we can spend thousands and thousands of dollars in advertising, but it's not going to help. What we've decided to do, and we started doing this about 3 months ago, was this community involvement. We spend an average of $300 to $500 every weekend in newspaper ad. That's our average budget. Over the last couple months, we have taken that same money and put it out there to local community events. What we're doing is every weekend we have a cookout here, and we get local. 2 weeks ago we had the Red Cross. It was actually the Red Hats. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Red Hats. They came out for the American Cancer Society, and they come out and cook for us. I provide the hamburgers and hot dogs, and they come and cook for our customers, and we give them a donation of $300. So I'm buying the food and supporting their cause by giving them $300. And in doing so, they're just spreading the word that Jarrett Gordon Ford is trying to help the community. This weekend, on January 10th, we will have Rotary, Davenport Rotary, Four Corners Rotary will be here, and they're doing it for a charity as well. We've had Davenport School of Arts here for 3 different occasions, and every time they come out, we donate $300, plus we provide them with the food, and all we ask them is to have their organization to come up here and show their support.
And are people borrowing less?
Are people borrowing less? People are borrowing less, period. I mean, I don't know if you mean dollar amounts. People are borrowing less as far as dollars. They're coming in looking for more of economical vehicle. Even though fuel cost has gone down, people are still looking at their monthly budget. A lot of people have either lost their job or they've had to take a pay and cut or a cut and pay to stay at their job. And that's everywhere across the board. It doesn't matter what market you're in. So a lot of people who are paying, for instance, $450 a month for a car want to trade that car in and try to get a $300 a month payment, try to save $150. So yes, people are paying less.